Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm Amio with the wife Amy.
Hello.
And we got the Rookie Explosion box, volume 26 by Philmington. So we'll rip into this, see what we can get. Here's the list. Hold on to that for a second. Here's the stack of packs. Pull this back in. Yeah, let's get rid of that. Alright, so here's the list.
Derek Jeter.
So we'll get into it and see what we can get. If you want to try to get in on it, when it becomes available, there you go. So how do you want to do it?
Just go right down.
Do you want to go in order?
Yeah.
Alright, here you go. Here. So you're looking for Derek Jeter.
Yes, we are.
Here, I'll leave this here so you can see it too, okay? So let's see if we can get a Jeter.
Why not?
Why not, she says. Eldred, Hernandez, Boone. We'll just kind of go quickly here. Just looking for Jeter, really. There's a Tino. Mike Soroka.
No Jeter, huh?
Sosha. Deion Sanders. And no Jeter in there.
Bomber.
Alright, so that was a quick pack because we just ran through it real quick looking just for Jeter. We're going to do 2013 Topps Update. Arenado, Yelich, Rendon, Cole, and Azuna. So let's see what we can get. And Dino. Is Torres. Well, we're going to go back and forth here. David Wright. Matt Thornton. Here's a Puig. Here's a Stanton and Jose Fernandez. Looks pretty cool. Delabar. There's a Bryce Harper. All-Star Game. And a Buster Posey. Those are two nice cards though. Not too bad. But none of the big rookies in there. Alright, let's try 14. Top Series 1. Looking for Ramirez, Bogarts, and Abreu.
Okay.
Let's see here. Desmond. Montero. Matt Davidson. Johnny Gomes. World Series. Josh Hamilton. What's that, like a... Here's a Mike Trout. That's nice. Always nice to get a Trout, especially an earlier one. There's a Ryu rookie. That's nice too. It's not on the list, but it's nice. Take the Trout. Soria. And a Chris Young.
Alright.
Alright. So at least we got some up on the board there. I like that Trout. Here's 15 update. And what are we looking for? I don't see the 15 update on here, do you?
Right there.
Oh, it's Chrome update? No, I think it's just regular update. Okay. Go ahead. I know there was some issues with some of the labeling.
Okay.
Right? Yeah. It's paper. Okay. John Jaso. Matchy. There's a Noah Syndergaard rookie. That's pretty cool.
Who's on that one?
Yeah, the players might still be the same that are on there,
Yeah.
probably. So there's a Syndergaard. So there's one of them. There's a Clemente. That's a cool card. I like that. There's a Tommy Pham rookie. Jepson. Matt Duffy. And Graveman. So we did get a Syndergaard. Alright, next up. It's the 2020 Bowman.
Yep.
Alright. Y'all know what we're looking for in there. Dominguez, Witt, Passan, and Laura. Let's see if we can get one of those.
Okay.
Okay, so we got a Kane. Got a Pete Alonso. Got a Carter Kieboom. Top 100. Varlin. Hill Jr. Lipitor. There's a Luis Robert. That's nice. Put that up. We'll take that. Austin Beck. Escobar. And a Joey Votto. So at least we're getting some rookies, some nice cards here. Alright, Topps Chrome. It's always fun chasing this stuff. So that's a retail. We're looking for Robert, Bichette, Alvarez, and a Rosarina, Kyle Lewis, and Gavin Lux. First up, Pujols, Tyler Glasnow, John Lester, and a refractor of Matthew Boyd. All right, next up, 2020 Heritage Minor League.
Okay.
Looking for Luciano, Franco, Rodriguez, Adley, Abrams, and Vaughn. Got a little mini in there. So Tommy Henry. There's that Alec Baum. That's a nice one. Here, we'll put that up there. DL Hall. Brian Matta. Got a Josh Jung. Little mini. That's not bad. That's pretty cool. He's not going to stay up there. Arraez. I like this. Volpe. It's a nice card for us. And the Sacramento River Cats celebrate. So there you go. All right, 3 packs left. 2020 Series 1. We're looking for Bichette, Alvarez, a Rosarina, Lewis, and Lux. Let's see if we can get lucky here. Got a DJ LeMahieu. There's a Judge. That's cool for us. A Bellinger. Scherzer. Gurriel Jr. Holtzen. Sanchez. Zach Collins. Matt Carpenter. Craig Kimbrough. And we got a Max Stassi. Number 173 out of 2020. And the last 2 cards. Vasquez, and Arrieta. So not too bad there. All right. 2020 update. So we're looking for Grisham and a Rosarina. And 1 pack left. Of the new Series 1. Todd Frazier. Garcia. Logan Morrison. Gibson. Chirinos. There's a Michael King rookie. That's cool for us. There's an Alvarez Cup card. Rookie debut. Jose Altuve. Avila. Cespedes. Forsythe. Nito. And Tommy Pham. All right. Last pack here. 2021 Series 1. We're looking for Carlson, Baum, Mountcastle, Adele, Mize, Bart, Montagrill, Pache, and Ian Anderson. A big checklist here, so let's see. Start off with a Luke Voigt, League Leaders. Josh Reddick. Gratterall, Future Stars. Jimenez. Molina. We got a Reese Hoskins. There's a Judge. Gonzalez. And we got a gold. And it's Iglesias. Nick Senzel. Bundy. Haniger. And we got the White Sox and the Nationals. So there we go. Not too bad. At least we picked up some nice cards. Got some more over here we can add in. Alright. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. Make sure you hit the like button, comment below, subscribe if you're not, and until next time, keep collecting. Me and Amy are out. Later.